Hello everybody, it's Sprinting Spirit, and welcome back to another episode of Super Mario Galaxy. So, let's go head right back over to the fountain, and let's go on our next mission. Hope you guys have been having a good day. My day's been pretty well, I guess. So, I've decided that I'm not going to be doing every single galaxy, because like I said I believe I said it in the first episode, that I'm not going to be 100%ing the game. So, I'm probably going to be trying to do at least 2 stars per galaxy. I mean, yeah, for each galaxy. And then we'll see what happens from there. It kind of depends on what type of galaxy we're doing. If it's a galaxy I really enjoy, then I'll probably be spending more time there than another galaxy that I don't enjoy. I actually do like Battle Rock Galaxy, so I don't know. I might be doing all the stars here. I'm not sure. But if the series gets enough support, I might be doing like a maybe like a mini series where I go back to each galaxy and, you know, just get all the stars, stuff like that. So right now we're gonna have to collect all these blue star pieces. You know how we've collected those yellow star pieces? It's basically the same thing, but instead of getting one of those spinning stars, we now get a blue star, which is the thing that pulls the pole star. Last one's right over there. That was pretty simple. And the pole star, I mean not the pole star, the launch star is up there, so. Okay, so the part that we're reaching up here, I always found this part really annoying. So if I die here, I wouldn't be surprised. So I always just found this part really annoying. So you'll see why in a second, but still. So basically all you have to do is just dodge the bombs by at the same time. You have to dodge the electric fences and try collecting the star bits since they're all around. The first couple of parts is pretty easy, but then later on it gets more annoying. Yeah, so an easy way to do it is you can just use your star bits if you really have to, and you can shoot the bombs. And they give you plenty of star bits, like I said earlier, so I mean, look at this. They want you to use star bits basically in this part. Okay, sorry if you saw a cut there, I just had to do something. But anyways, the thing just stopped now. We have to use the bullet bills, which will be shooting out from over here. And we have to lead them to the star over there, so. Again, this level is pretty short, nothing really special. Yeah, and that's basically it. Okay, anyways, let's get the star now. I believe this is our 16th star, so we're doing pretty well progress. Yep. Okay, let's go back right in here. So, I could do the Bowser one, but I want to get enough stars. Well, I could probably finish Battle Rock Galaxy, I'm not sure, to unlock this one, this mystery one. So anyways, let's go back to Battle Rock Galaxy and see what we have to do next. Breaking into the Battle Rock. Again, I think it's really strange I only have 5 lives. I thought I would have more lives by now, but, you know. Oh, okay, so I'm pretty sure there's a secret star in here in this level. that has to do with the mechanic that we're doing in this level, but we'll get to that when we come to it. So anyways, it's pretty simple. All you have to do, grab these bombs, and in a short amount of time, they're gonna explode. So just throw them. Okay, and so here's this section reminds me of like the first section that we did. If you remember, the first section we did was that mud area, and then the chain chomps, or I don't know if it's chain chomps or those like rocks, but either way they rolled around and you have to avoid them. It was really weird. Okay, so I'm assuming over here has the bombs. Yep. So basically, you just want to grab the bomb, go over here, throw it at the star. Get the star, and you have now transformed into Rainbow Mary. So all you have to do basically is just destroy these, and you get star bits basically. Got a 1-up, so I got 50. I don't know how many star bits you need, but let's just see. Hey you got any tasty star bits? If you feed me a bunch of star bits, I'll burst with snacky happiness and transform. I need oh, okay, only 30, it's not bad at all. Okay, and now we're going to a certain place that is not very enjoyable, and okay, so a new planet was born, so let's jump in here. Let's do this. Oh gosh, here we go. This is the ammo depot, not a garbage dump. What? Do people think they can just toss their trash in here and it'll magically disappear? Hey, we got plenty of bombs. Maybe we can use them to blow all this trash. I never really got this, but if you notice there were bombs, why doesn't he just do it himself? Oh gosh, here we go. So basically, we have 30 seconds to clear all these bombs, and I mean not all these bombs, at least all these garbage. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think I can do this. I think I can do this. Oh my gosh! I don't think I can do it. Explode! Oh my gosh. That was so... Oh, it's gonna be mad. Okay, okay. Okay, we got this. We got this time. We don't have to worry. Okay. So right for this one. Oh my, that was such a bad throw. Oh, these are such bad throws. I don't know. I don't know. I'm hoping I do well. I can only probably get two more bombs in. No, there's no way. Oh, it's not gonna explode on time. It's not gonna explode in time. Please explode! The bombs just take so long to explode. Okay. Gee, thanks. Yes, gee, thanks indeed. Okay, we got this. Okay, it's one. We should maneuver around quickly. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's probably a waste of a bomb, but I'm just gonna long jump into some of these. Okay, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I think we got this. Yeah, we got this. Yes! Okay, third try, not bad. Who knew the bombs work so well on industrial strain cleaner? Thanks, I owe you. I'm gonna take this, I just found it lying around. Yep, just found a random power star lying around. Definitely normal. Oh gosh. Hopefully the question thing's unlocked. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, number 17, big number 17. I don't think the galaxy's locked. I think I know how I'm gonna end off the episode then. Okay, I have a choice. I can do Space Chunk, Battle Rock. Okay, I wanna do the Bowser fight in the next episode, so I'm gonna do Battle Rock. So most likely in the next episode we'll probably be doing the question mark stage, and then we'll be doing the Bowser fight. So it's gonna be interesting. Okay, breaking into the Battle Rock finally. Okay, now that we know what we're doing, it's gonna be a lot easier. Oh, that was bad throw up. I should blow up. Okay. Okay, we got this. I go this one. This one. Gosh. Throw it! No! Oh my gosh. Woo, that was scary. As my way of thanking you for help, I'll make a shortcut for you. Transform! Thank you. Oh wait, does it explode? Oh, I thought it exploded. Oh, okay. It looks like we're doing my favorite thing. I'm dead. Oh! Oh my gosh, I survived. No? I'll take that. I'll take my 6 lives too. I'm dead. Okay, hold on. Okay. Yes. The redemption. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, good job. Wait, is this the part? No. Okay. Again, this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm pretty sure he's gonna do okay, get away from me. Bong. Oh, never mind. That's nothing important. Just some star bits. Damn. Okay. Actually, no. I like this. Okay. This is now they're gonna be introducing a freaking cannon. Oh my! Get the bomb! Get the bomb! Okay, we're good. Don't pick up the bomb like last time. Don't be retarded. Okay, now this is pretty cool. So now we're gonna be going inside the cannon. We just have to aim it at this. It's pretty simple. And then we have to go. I'm not doing this. Oh God! How'd that even hit me? Alright. Yo, how's it? Oh my! I can already tell how annoying this is gonna be. Okay, so welcome to annoying part episode number 2. Oh my! I'm the second too slow. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a little bit faster than I want to do it. So like, now, there we go. Because I'll be shooting myself in the cannon again. I don't know what's worse, the pole stars or the cannon. Oh, thank gosh. Oh, I thought there would be like stars or something. Cause the star's right there. You see that? Okay, we got this. I'm assuming I'm going to need that bomb, so I'm just going to bring it with me. I'm just going to hope for the best, you know? It's all you can really do in these scenarios. Okay, Okay, we're good. Oh gosh, the cannon again. Okay. Oh gosh, I don't like this already. YOLO! Yes! Oh, thank goodness. Okay, these levels has been a lot more stressful than I thought they would be, but you know, all's well that ends well. Yep. So in the next episode, we will be going to that new galaxy we explored and facing off Bowser. Hope you guys all enjoyed this, and it looks like I'll see you guys next time.